Welcome back to the CivicSciTV news show. I'm your host, Jake Krauss, bringing you the latest in the world of civic science. This week we're going on a field trip to the National Mall in Washington, D.C., where the Smithsonian is celebrating the summer solstice, the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. Museums are open after hours, and some host performances and special exhibits on the solstice alongside astronomy outreach. Dance and song performances honoring the sun covered the plaza of the Hirshhorn Arts Museum. Inside the museum, visitors could explore exhibits playing with sound. Flashlights trigger the sonified wavelengths of stars carved onto scenes from space. Here's an art exhibition based around the Chinese interpretation of solstices, with changing soundscapes as you rotate through the solar orbit. Just like the Earth rotates around the sun, the sound travels in a loop of microphones echoing the last one before it, creating beautiful harmonies. Performances required feats of engineering to make sounds change as audience members waft their hands on the sides of the instrumental tubes. One involved a full-out science demo alongside music, and other performances had a cool combination of art and electronics. Visitors lined up to use telescopes pointed at Jupiter and its moons. It's exciting to see people gather for a party inside a Smithsonian building, but also crowd NASA stalls eager to learn about space. 3D models and sounds of different space objects provide creative ways of engaging with space. Participatory scientists were hard at work analyzing images from NASA space telescopes. Star wavelengths coded by colors were strung into bracelets. Visitors could also play arcade games or simply dance at the party inside or in the Smithsonian Gardens outside. There's something special about being in a museum that's open until midnight. Overall, it was a fantastic event with many creative interpretations of the solstice and even more creative outreach strategies to engage visitors in learning a little bit more about our universe. Thank you so much for watching this special edition of the CivicSci Newsroom, and we hope to see you next time.